guys! These cream cheese rolls are always a hit at gatherings. I actually made them over Easter Sunday, and let's just say there were absolutely no leftovers. They kind of taste like churros with cream cheese inside, and they're so delicious. So let's get started.
The ingredients we're going to be using today are 1 20-ounce loaf of white sliced bread, crust removed, 8-ounce bar of cream cheese, 3/4 cup of powdered sugar, 1 1/2 sticks of butter melted, and 1 1/4 cups of sugar mixed with 1 1/2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Begin by softening the cream cheese and combining it with the powdered sugar. Soften the cream cheese by placing it in the microwave for about a minute and stirring it after. Mix until well combined. Next, if you have kids, time to put them to work. Use a rolling pin or a can like so to flatten the bread. This recipe is simple and really fun to do with your little ones, although it could get a little messy, but it's worth spending the time with them. I always enjoy being in the kitchen with my son. I always say he's part of my why on why I make these videos. Next, spread about a tablespoon of the cream cheese mixture onto the bread and roll it up. This recipe makes 19 rolls, so you'll use an entire loaf minus the ends. Next, dip each roll into the melted butter and roll into the cinnamon and sugar mixture. Place them onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper or foil. You'll see with these 6 simple everyday ingredients that you probably already have at home will transform into the most delicious dessert. All right, we're almost done. Next step is to bake them. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees and bake for about 23 to 25 minutes. They should be nice, toasted and crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. Seriously, my friends and family will vouch for this dessert. I've made it about 4 times over spring break. Everyone loved it, and yes, they're addicting. Like I mentioned earlier, they taste like a cinnamony, sugary, buttery churro with cream cheese filling inside. I dare you to make them and have just one. Cheers! Yum!
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. Feel free to take a look at my other recipes. I make cooking videos weekly. Thanks for watching and see you next time.